Everyone, in this video, let me take you through the navigation of SEER request form to help you create your own solar energy assessment report in a flash. SEER is a great medium to know the solar generation of your site, being it ground or a rooftop. All you have to do is click on Get SEER button on Easy Solar page and fill in the basic details in the form, which is divided in 3 basic steps. The first step would be start entering the address or the geocoordinates of your site. Make sure to enter geocoordinates up to 3 decimal points to process further. When you go on second page, which is a technical specification page, you have to mention all the technical fields which we require to create the report. If you're new to the solar industry, you can always click on use standard parameters and the standard parameters will be auto-filled in the form. If you know the individual requirement, what you need, you can always fill in here under capacity, type of area, modules and inverters you want. Once done, click next. On the third page, you are on electricity tariff page. Here you have to mention the electricity tariff to know the annual energy savings in the report. You can always check your electricity bill to know your tariff if you're not aware of it. I will enter the Indian electricity tariff. We'll click on Indian currency and we'll move next. Now on the next page, which is type of SEER, here you can select the meteorological data source type you want your SEER report in. We offer 3 kinds. One is NASA, another one is Meteornom, and the third one is Solar GIS. You can always pick all the 3. This is the way you have completed your form. Now you would be taken on review page where you can review your complete form, the data you have filled in. If you wanted to edit anything, you can always go back by clicking on all these buttons or click back button and edit it. If you are okay with the report, you can add this to cart, go through the payment process and order the report. Once you have ordered the report, your SEER would be in the inbox in next 24 hours. To check what kind of SEER report you will get, you can always go on Easy Solar main page, go down, click on sample SEER, and you can see multiple SEER we have uploaded for you to get an idea of what we offer in this SEER, what all features we have in the SEER report. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to write to us by clicking on contact us page and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.